Best radiator flush and protectant cleaners remove harmful deposits, improve cooling efficiency, prevent corrosion, extend engine life, and maintain reliable system performance. My today's video is about top 5 best radiator flush and protectant cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at High Gear Radiator Flush Professional Cleaner. A quality cooling system cleaner is an essential maintenance product for keeping your vehicle's radiator and engine operating efficiently. This formula effectively removes rust, scale, sludge, and other contaminants that restrict coolant flow and reduce cooling performance. Its deep cleaning action reaches the radiator, heater core, and engine passages, dissolving stubborn deposits that ordinary flushing may leave behind. By restoring proper coolant circulation and improving heat transfer, it helps reduce the risk of overheating, especially during demanding driving conditions. Beyond cleaning, it also provides valuable rust and corrosion protection for metal cooling system components, extending the lifespan of the radiator, water pump, and other critical parts. The easy-to-use formula makes routine cooling system maintenance straightforward, ensuring the system is properly prepared before adding fresh coolant. Regular use helps maintain consistent engine temperatures, improves overall reliability, and supports long-term engine health, making it a practical solution for preventive vehicle maintenance and optimal cooling system performance. Now our second product is Zato Radiator Flush Effective Cooling System Cleaner. Zato Radiator Flush delivers an effective solution for restoring the efficiency of your vehicle's cooling system. Its powerful formula breaks down and removes accumulated scale, rust, and other deposits that restrict coolant circulation and reduce heat transfer. By clearing these blockages, it helps the engine maintain stable operating temperatures, reducing the risk of overheating during daily driving or demanding conditions. Improved coolant flow also contributes to smoother engine performance and can support better fuel efficiency over time. Another major advantage is its ability to protect the radiator from corrosion and buildup, helping extend the lifespan of aluminum and copper radiators while reducing the likelihood of expensive repairs. The application process is straightforward. Simply add the flush, run the engine as directed, and drain the system before refilling with fresh coolant. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles and radiator materials, Zato Radiator Flush is a practical maintenance product that promotes reliable cooling performance, long-term engine protection, and overall vehicle dependability. Our third product is IronTight ThoroFlush Coolant System Cleaner. ThoroFlush is a highly effective cooling system cleaner designed to restore peak radiator and engine performance by removing rust, scale, grease, oil, sludge, and other harmful contaminants. Its standout feature is the ability to dissolve gel Dexcool antifreeze, a common cause of restricted coolant flow and engine overheating. By thoroughly cleaning clogged passages, it restores efficient coolant circulation and improves heat transfer throughout the system. The formula is safe for use with cast iron, aluminum, brass, and plastic components, making it compatible with virtually all automotive cooling systems. Regular use helps prevent overheating, minimizes corrosion, and reduces the risk of costly cooling system failures. The concentrated powder formula is easy to apply. Simply add it to the cooling system, run the engine as directed, and flush before refilling with fresh coolant. With one 16-ounce bottle treating up to a 6-gallon system, ThoroFlush provides excellent value while promoting long-term engine reliability, efficient cooling performance, and extended radiator life. Now number 4, Aerocom Zeus Plus Cleaner for Radiators. Zeus Plus Radiator Cleaner is a comprehensive cooling system treatment that effectively removes oil, grease, rust, scale, sludge, and hardened deposits that accumulate over time. Its advanced cleaning formula dissolves stubborn contaminants and keeps them suspended in the coolant until the system is completely drained, ensuring a more thorough flush than ordinary cleaners. Using ZUS Plus before every coolant replacement helps restore unrestricted coolant flow, improve heat transfer, and reduce the risk of overheating caused by internal blockages. The 1:33 dilution ratio allows a single 12 fluid ounces bottle to treat cooling systems up to 3 gallons, making it an economical maintenance solution. It is compatible with nearly all vehicle cooling systems, standard coolants, and antifreeze products, while remaining safe for plastic, rubber, and metal components. Regular use helps maintain radiator efficiency, minimizes corrosion and buildup, and extends the service life of critical cooling system parts. Overall, Zeus Plus offers reliable, professional-grade cleaning that supports consistent engine temperature control and long-term vehicle performance. And our last choice is Leak Saver Foam Blaster AC Coil Cleaner Foam Spray. Foam Blaster stands out as a professional-grade AC coil cleaner that delivers deeper cleaning than conventional foaming sprays. Its high-pressure, focused spray penetrates deep into evaporator and condenser coils before expanding into an active foam, allowing it to loosen and liquefy stubborn dirt, grease, dust, and grime hidden beneath the surface. This unique delayed foaming action helps restore unrestricted airflow, improve heat transfer, and increase overall HVAC efficiency while leaving a fresh, clean scent. The no-rinse formula for evaporator coils makes routine maintenance simple, while condensers require only a light water rinse for optimal results. Beyond air conditioners, Foam Blaster is versatile enough for HVAC systems, refrigeration units, automotive radiators, fan blades, and metal filters, making it a valuable all-around cleaning solution. Developed and trusted by experienced HVAC technicians, the formula combines professional cleaning performance with user-friendly application. Regular use helps reduce system strain, maintain energy efficiency, extend equipment lifespan, and keep cooling systems operating at peak performance throughout the year. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.